Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales, where OneScales shares insights, educates you guys online, and shares everything we know that we can share online. This video is about Cloudflare access, about a particular error that happens, code 1005. Basically, Cloudflare allows you to provide permission for other accounts, other people to access your Cloudflare to manage on your behalf. And Cloudflare now, as of end of 2022, allows you to provide some permissions, give you access or give others access to some parts of your account. You don't have to give access to everything. So what we discovered is when you actually try to do so, sometimes you get an error 1005, which basically says cannot add existing user that is participating in an incompatible authorization system. Really simple. What they're doing is if you click on invite, and you provide the permissions, you get this error. What is happening is they're just rolling out a new management system so you can provide invites access with limited access, either full or limited access. So they have some issues on their system. So what you have to do is you have to just contact support. There's no way to fix it yourself, but basically you're going to go here, contact support, and you're going to specify that, right? You're going to go specify account management, and just tell them that specific error, and then they're going to provide a ticket for you, and they're going to unlock it. And once they unlock it and fix that for your account, then you should be able to invite just like you did before. That's it. That's really simple. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about that or other things about Cloudflare or anything else that we have on our channel, please feel free to contact us, to comment, and we're always here to help on comments and share more knowledge with OneScales. Thank you very much.